Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware compatibility and preparing media. Make sure the Chromebook uses an Intel x86 CPU. ARM chips won't run standard Windows, so you avoid wasted time. Once done, back up your files to external storage and create 2 USB drives, one for Chrome OS recovery and one with Windows installation media. Next, enable developer mode, and if the board is write protected, remove or disable the write protect screw so you can flash firmware. This gets you ready to modify the system boot behavior. Now you replace the Chromebook firmware and prepare storage for Windows. You run the Mr. Chromebox firmware script from a terminal to install UEFI firmware. This lets the device boot standard Windows media. After flashing and rebooting, boot the Windows USB, and in Setup, use diskpart to clean the drive and create an EFI partition plus Windows partition. This prevents leftover Chrome OS partitions from interfering. Install Windows, then immediately install vendor drivers and chipset firmware. Make sure you keep the Chrome recovery USB to restore if needed. Finish by completing Windows setup and installing all updates and device-specific drivers so hardware behaves correctly. You should verify keyboard, touchpad, Wi-Fi, and camera. Install vendor driver bundles or individual INF files when a device acts up. Once satisfied, restore your backed up data and configure Windows settings like power and screen scaling. If boot or driver issues arise, retry flashing firmware, confirm secure boot settings, or use the Chrome recovery USB to revert and troubleshoot. This single tip often saves the device from being bricked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.